Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Unplug the brick from wall and console before inspecting it for heat or smell. Look for melted plastic, burned odor, or swollen casing signs. Check both LED on the brick and orange flashing codes on the console to narrow the fault. Note whether the light is green, red, or blinking amber for specific issues. Measure the brick output with a multimeter set to DC volts on the pins when plugged in. Expect roughly 12 V on main rails and 5 V on the standby rail for healthy bricks. Remove screws and gently separate the casing to expose the internal board and cable strain relief. Photograph wire colors and plug orientation before removing cables to avoid reassembly errors. Look for bulging capacitors, cracked solder joints, or burned resistors under magnification and bright light. Desolder suspected parts safely and clean flux with isopropyl alcohol when needed. Replace failed components using soldering iron at 350 degrees C and leaded solder. Reinstall the PCB, tighten screws, and secure the cable with fresh heat shrink before testing. Use a GFCI outlet for initial power-up to protect against shorts and sparks. Power the console with a GFCI outlet and observe LED behavior for 2 minutes for stability and proper color. Remeasure the outputs with a multimeter. Expect steady 12 V on main and steady 5 V on standby rails. If voltages read 12 V and 5 V steady, connect the console and confirm normal operation and disk eject behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.